This is an install instructional video for Rvinyl Precut Light Tint. The Precut Rvinyl Light Tint comes in a sealed bag. To open, never cut along the pieces, instead cut at the open section at the top. Pull out the straightforward instructional guide and be sure to take advantage of the cashback offer. If you're a beginner, it's a good idea to work from the easiest section to the hardest. The reflector is the easiest, so first clean it, then grab the rapid prep. Spray the entire area for even coverage, then release the liner from the light tint. Place the adhesive side on the reflector and line up all the edges so they fit perfectly. Make any adjustments if necessary, then push it onto the surface with fingers. Now go over the piece with a squeegee to push the moisture out, using both the hard side and buffer side. Once on, use a microfiber towel to absorb the moisture, then go over the area with a heat gun to activate the adhesive and seal the edges.